right, both are present. Petition says the father is unknown. State's ready to proceed with the case.
Yes, Your Honor. The state would like the court to take judicial notice that the biological mother, Joshua Kennedy, is present in court today, and a copy of the state's petition was sent to her via email.
So noted.
We have a partial agreement with all matters agreed to except for the retroactive child support. I will read the agreed portions into the record. Parties are in agreement to be named joint managing conservators with the custodial parent, the grandmother, to designate the primary residence in the Dallas and contiguous counties, and the non-custodial parent, the mother, to be given standard possession. Parties are in agreement for the kids to continue under the government plan. Non-custodial parent is currently unemployed, so the state used minimum wage to calculate support, and there are no other children other than the children at the case today. Child support to be set at $262 a month. Medical support to be set at $113 a month, beginning April 1st, 2025. No request for retroactive medical support or dental support. Parties are in agreement that there's been no family violence in the last 2 years, and there's no request for non-disclosure. Ms. Kennedy, can you please state your full name? Ms. Tanya Kennedy, can you please state your full name?
Tanya Lachelle Kennedy.
Ma'am, can you state the name and ages of the children?
Katie Joyce Smith, 16. Christina Marie Kennedy, 14.
Ma'am, did you hear the agreements that I just read?
Yes.
Are they still your agreements?
Yes.
Do you believe they're in the best interest of the children?
Yes.
And you're asking the court to accept it today?
Yes.
The state calculated retroactive support for the last 3 years using minimum wage, and that came out to $10,440. Are you in agreement with that?
Yes.
Has the mother given you any money to assist with the financial expenses of the children?
She gave me she give the children money because we got to the point where me and her couldn't speak at one while. So I told her as long as she was giving them money, for their personal need, because I got injured at work, but finna be a year and a half or a year now. And then so I asked her to just continue to help her children because I couldn't. And that's the money that she's saying she gave them, but it was periodically to where she didn't give them as much as I think she should have. It's hard to explain it, but she gave more. Her retro pay should be less than the 10,000 is what I'm saying. It shouldn't be that much.
Okay. Would you be in agreement for her to receive credit of $5,000?
Yes.
Okay. So you would be in agreement for a judgment of $5,540?
Yes.
Okay. And would you be in agreement if she repaid that as $60 a month?
Yes.
Okay. Pass the witness. Miss Joshua Kennedy, can you please state your full name?
Joshua Renee Kennedy.
Ma'am, did you hear the earlier portions that I read as an agreement?
Yes.
Are they still your agreement?
Yes.
And do you believe they're in your children's best interests?
Yes.
And you're asking the court to accept it today?
Yes.
And you heard that the state calculated 36 months of child support in the amount of $10,440, and the grandmother's giving credit for $5,000, making a judgment of $5,440. Would you be in agreement to that amount for a judgment?
Not really.
Okay. Ma'am, have you have you been giving money to the grandmother for the financial maintenance of your children?
No. Well, recently, no.
Have you given money in the 36 months? The past
Yes.
36 months? How
Not to
much?
my mom. Not to my
How,
mom. That's not how we. That's not
okay,
how we, maintain financial.
ma'am,
Uh,
wait till I ask a question and then answer my question. And then at the end, I'll give you an opportunity to add anything further, okay?
okay.
Thank you. So you said you've been given money not directly to your mom, but to your children. How much would you say you've given in total in the 36 months that you've been giving money to your children?
Thousands of dollars. I mean, I have two separate Cash App accounts. One account I had got locked out because I couldn't update my ID because at the time, I guess it was something going on with Cash App uh, a year ago in the summertime or something like that. Uh, and it locked me out, but I was without an ID for like 3 months because of the now we have to have this appointment for ID. So it locked me out. And then when I finally got my ID, I couldn't access it. Even
Okay,
when I did, submit my ID, I can access it. So I can't I can't pull up my account information as far as payments to my daughter. Katie is where the payments dominantly go to.
okay.
But
Would
uh,
you say that you've given more or less than the $5,000 that the grandmother
honest,
said?
honest, honestly speaking, it may have been more, maybe less, it may be even. Honestly, I don't know, but
Okay. Okay, so you're unclear of how much you've given. You don't know if it's more than 5,000 and you don't know if it's less than 5,000.
it may be equal to it. Like, I mean, I'm being honest. You know what I'm
Okay,
saying?
that's
Like, I'm
fine.
not going to sit here and say that I gave more. I'm not going to sit here and say that I gave less. But I just wanted to be clear that I do financially take care of my kids and I do financially pay for their well being. And
Okay,
that's how she wanted it. It was never me give money or cash out directly to my mom. It was never that way. Never. I
okay,
mean, I did when I lived with her for 4 months, what, 4 or 5 years. I think maybe 5, 6 years. But see, I was giving her extra money, and that's
okay,
what it was.
okay. The state's asking for a repayment of $60 a month. Are you in agreement to repay the arrears at $60 a month starting April 1st, 2025?
$60 a month to what?
To repay the arrears,
What's that?
5,400. Okay, ma'am, the state calculated child support arrears in the amount of $10,440 a month. The grandmother is said she's giving credit for about $5,000 to money sent to her and the children for about $5,000. That leaves a judgment amount of $5,440 a month. And the state's asking you to repay that as $60 a month beginning April 1st, 2025. Would you be in agreement to that?
Okay.
Pass the witness,
So
Your Honor.
Okay.
I
All
have
right.
a question.
Do you, Ms. Kennedy, do you need help looking for a job? We have a program called Choices. They can help you look for work if you're a Dallas County resident.
Oh, I saw that
Okay.
in the waiting room.
Are you interested in joining that program so they can help you?
No, I don't have trouble looking for a job.
You're not going to get in trouble for looking for a job, but they will help you.
Huh?
You're not going to get in trouble for looking for a job. We're just trying to help you out to get you a job so that you can help your mom.
Oh no, I'm already in motion looking for a job.
Okay, but they can help you more. Why would you
I
not want
don't
to have extra help?
want want my help.
I'm sorry?
What might happen? What I'm um. You're talking about the choices that the guy that was on the waiting room earlier, an hour or so ago. The
Yes.
black guy, spoke about choices, the program. I know, I understand that. I just said that I looked into that link already. I was already looking at all that.
Okay, so you're interested in joining that program?
Well, I haven't done that much research on this. What I'm saying, I was looking into it.
Okay, well, I mean, I have to order you in if that's what you want to do, because that'll gives us permission to do it. It doesn't cost you anything, and then he can give you more information after I sign you up. You're not gonna get in trouble if you don't do it, but obviously they can't help you if you don't participate. So they do want you to participate with looking for work. Um, they can help you with getting to your job interviews with some travel expenses, and they can send you to some job fairs, maybe even possible retraining. It just depends on the person. So those are things that are possible. You're not gonna get in trouble
I'm a
if you
security
don't.
officer. I can't work in any other field. I done tried.
Why?
Because no one will hire me. I've been a security officer since January the 3rd, 2009. My license has never expired. I don't have no other occupation other than that. I
Okay.
mean, I was a cashier back in 2009.
Are
Well,
you
no,
disabled in
8
some way?
before I started. Sir?
Are you disabled?
No.
Okay. So again, I don't
I
understand.
no, I applied at different jobs. Like I applied at McDonald's, I applied at Walmart. Well, no, I haven't. Well, I applied at Walmart years ago, but that's different. But I applied at different jobs to try to like quickly get a job, but nobody has called me back because I don't have any experience.
Okay, so you sounds like you need help. They're willing to help you. I just need to sign you up for the program and they can help you. So I'm not understanding why you don't want help.
I didn't say I don't want help.
Okay, so you're okay with going being ordered into the program?
Order seems like a crime.
What's that?
Order seems like a crime, like I done something wrong or something. Like, is it like a demand or something? Is this part of a court order?
I don't understand what you're saying, man. All
You
right, I'm just
said you said you have to order me into the assistance program.
yeah, well, the program to help you look for work because that's a requirement of the program, but that doesn't mean that you're in trouble or anything like that.
Okay. Well, order me into the program. When does that start?
Okay. All right. So then, as far as the court order is concerned today, the parts y'all agreed to earlier, those are all fine. For back child support, well, getting those our only issue. I'm gonna take off the $440. So there's a difference of $5,000. So judgment for back child support of $5,000 even to be paid at $60 a month. Ordering choices and court costs is billed. All right, so the Attorney General's office will put that on a court order in writing for me to sign as the court order. They will email you a copy after I sign it. You should hopefully get that in a couple of days if they have your email address. Miss Joshua Kennedy, I need you to wait here a moment. You're going to meet with Mr. Pryor.
Joshua Renee.
You're going to wait.
Joshua Renee.
Okay. You're going to wait here just a minute to talk to the choice representative, and then you can ask him questions about that program, and he can tell you more, give you more information. Need you to wait here just a moment. After you're done with Mr. Pryor, then you can leave for the day as well. And then Miss Tanya Kennedy, you can go ahead and leave for the day now. All
Thank
right. Just look out for the invite, Miss Joshua Renee, for that so they send you to the other room. All right. Thank you.
Okay.